management tools. Every technician must know storage isn't optional. It's the backbone of everything, from the OS to documents, downloads, and logs. If your drives fail, everything else follows. So, as a technician, you can't afford to guess when it comes to disk management. You need to know how to handle drive problems fast without wrecking data. This post covers the 2 core tools for disk and storage management in Windows and how to use them properly. Disk management, diskmgmt.msc, configure drives the right way. What it is: a built-in Windows utility for managing disks, partitions, and volumes. Open it. Windows R, type diskmgmt.msc, enter use it to initialize brand new drives, create, delete, or resize partitions, format drives to NTFS, FAT32, or exFAT, assign or change drive letters, convert disks between MBR and GPT, UEFI boot compatibility. Real-life tip: if a new USB or SSD isn't showing up in File Explorer, check disk management. It might be uninitialized or missing a drive letter. Computer management, compmgmt.msc, central control panel for storage and system. What it is: a more advanced management console that includes disk management, plus system tools, user management, logs, and more. Open it. Windows R, type compmgmt.msc, enter. Use it to access disk management, monitor disk health with system event logs, check for disk I/O failures or controller issues, create scheduled tasks for disk cleanup, optimization, or defrags, manage users, shares, and services in one place. Why it's useful: when you're troubleshooting random slowdowns, computer management gives a full view. You can check disk usage and event logs in one window. Common drive tasks you'll handle: recovering lost or unallocated space, shrinking large volumes to make room for dual boot setups, formatting corrupted flash drives, safely removing recovery partitions, converting from MBR to GPT for UEFI systems. Set up a new hard drive, diskmgmt.msc, initialize disk plus new volume wizard. Reassign a drive letter. Disk M to right-click, change drive letter and paths, track disk-related system errors, compmgmt viewer, system filter for disk warning for disk errors, remove ghost or recovery partitions at volume if unmounted. AHAP. Strategy tip: back up before you touch anything. Disk tools are powerful, but one mistake can wipe everything. Before deleting, resizing, or converting, backup files, clone the disk, or create a full system image. No exceptions, no shortcuts. You'll thank yourself later. Final thought: clean storage, quiet stability. You won't get applause for keeping disks stable and invisible, but that's what real IT work is: quiet systems that never fail. You're not just plugging in drives anymore, you're commanding them like a professional.